Hello, my fellow sketcher. I'm glad to see you here on my ninth episode of my show Urban Sketching Adventures, where we, the whole month, 30 days, every day, are drawing some of objects from cityscape. And we are learning how to draw urban sketching and don't be afraid of drawing some complicated constructions and preparing ourselves for our upcoming plein airs. So it was my yesterday's sketch, and I would like to discuss with you one very important topic today. I would like to discuss with you the topic how to become consistent in drawing and in life. And I suppose that this project, it is perfect place to start developing your consistency in drawing, because I do everything for you here. I provide you the project, the daily episodes where you can come and start your journey. We are drawing the whole month, every day, and it is a very good time to form a habit for regular drawing. And everything is prepared. You just need to come and draw for 15 minutes. So it is like in every I suppose that this approach is perfect for such things like learning language, or going into sports, train your flexibility, or something like that, learning how to play musical instrument. The drawing is the same thing. It is the activity when we need to return to it again and again, and it's better to do it every day. Your results will increase with these iterations, but maybe for some of you it is too much, and you can do it just regularly. One time in 2 days, one time in 3 days. But keep in mind that you need to have this schedule, this mode, when you return again and again to the same activities and to focus on it, to have this deep focus. So I prepared everything for you. I just invite you for my planned meeting. And I encourage you to start drawing. Don't limit yourself. Develop your imagination, your creativity, and dive into this project. So, our today's topic, we are already on the intermediate level, even the complete beginners of you. And today, the topic of this show is facade, but not the random facade. You should try to find the simplest facade you can find for photo reference for this project. And the goal is not to be afraid of drawing buildings. So, if you haven't chosen your photo reference before, it's time to pause this video to find the simplest facade of the building, and I will be waiting for you. Return to it, and we will draw every member of this project will draw his or her own facade, and so we can enrich our whole library of sketches for this project, because after each episode of the show, I upload my sketches into my free Telegram channel. I make a special post where I put my sketch, and I invite you to share in comments your own sketches with this topic. So let's start our today's journey. I will see you in several minutes and we will discuss what have we got. So I suppose that I can stop here. It is my final sketch with which I will share in my free Telegram channel. And when I saw the photo, I suppose that it is super simple to draw it. But in the real, I showed you a speed paint, but in reality, I spent around 30 minutes of drawing it. And it is not necessary for you to spend so much time every day. I suppose that when you are working on a building a habit, it is better to keep it shorter, keep it more simple. So if you're drawing 10 or 15 minutes, it is very good result. And the good result is that you can repeat it again and again in our upcoming sessions. So not that bad, I suppose. And I hope that I will return to drawing characters to this project maybe already tomorrow. And we will have even more fun out of this project. And so I'm waiting for your today's entries in my Telegram channel. Upload your sketch and write a couple of lines about your today's feelings, emotions out of this project. What have you done? Which insights have you got out of it? Maybe some ideas came to your mind. I would like to listen to you. Your opinion, your thoughts, your emotions, everything which can enrich us and make the firm foundation for our future relationships and even friendship. So I would like to announce our tomorrow's topic. It will be maybe a tricky one, but it is super necessary, because when we are drawing a cityscape, we're doing urban sketching, it is not only about buildings, and even it is not only about people, characters, and so on. We sometimes, and very often, we need to add some transportation, some vehicles. So our today's topic is transportations, cars, buses, trams, and you name it. Motorbikes, maybe bicycles, everything you want. Choose your own photo reference. I even haven't imagined what will be my choice. So tomorrow you will see something unusual, something expressive, something extraordinary. And I encourage you to do the same. Don't limit your desires. Maybe it will be something completely unexpected. I don't know what it could be. I even don't know these words, but I would like to see your choice. And tomorrow we will start with this topic. And of course, I would like to invite you to my upcoming live stream. I will announce it a little bit later, but we are going to have 1 hour of quick sketches of some funny things, as we normally do on Thursdays. I will put the link somewhere here, and you can return to previous live streams, and if you miss them, have even more fun, because I like them very much. 1 hour of quick sketching, 10 sketches in 60 minutes, a lot of funny chatting, and incredibly crazy and unpredictable sketches. So I highly recommend you to join me, and I will see you in my next video. See you there, and enjoy your sketching practice. Bye bye.